Airplane food often falls short because it's tough to replicate the taste and quality of a proper meal at 35,000 feet. The cabin's low humidity and pressurized air dull our senses of taste and smell, making food less flavorful. Airlines also have to balance mass production, shelf life, and limited storage, which impacts freshness and variety. Add to that dietary restrictions and preferences, and it's hard for a single menu to satisfy everyone. Passengers may crave something more substantial or diverse after long flights, which is why those small, pre-packaged meals can often leave us feeling unsatisfied. Subscribe for more.